For today's recipe, we will be making a spicy dry potato curry, also known as deviled potatoes. To make this deviled potato curry, you will need the following ingredients. 6 tablespoons of oil, 250 grams of potatoes, 1 large onion sliced fine, a sprig of curry leaves, pandan leaf only optional, 2 cardamom pods, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, which can be increased to 1 or 2 teaspoons if you really want it spicy, 1 large green chilli split lengthwise, and half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. To make the deviled potatoes, first you need to cook them. To do this, place the potatoes in a pan and completely cover them in water. Cook the potatoes in gently boiling water for 45 minutes over low-medium heat. Keep in mind that cooking time of potatoes will vary according to size. Once the 45 minutes are over, you can check if the potatoes are done by inserting a fork or knife. The fork should easily slide through the potatoes if they are properly cooked. Let the potatoes cool and then peel off the skin. Cut the potatoes into large cubes. Since the potatoes are boiled and soft, they will break into smaller cubes as you cook. Once the potatoes are ready, it's time to cook the spicy curry deviled potatoes. First, place a cooking pan over low-medium heat and pour in the oil. Cardamom, add curry leaves, 2-inch piece pandan leaf, which is only optional ingredient. You can also substitute pandan leaf with a bay leaf. Add onions and saute. Once the onions are soft, which will take about 2 to 3 minutes, reduce fire to low and add turmeric, cumin, chili flakes, red chili powder, green chili, and finally the mustard. Stir and combine well. Saute for 60 seconds with the mustard seeds. When you have the tempered ingredients cooked, add the potatoes. Cook for 3 minutes and season with salt. As you combine and cook the potatoes with the tempered ingredients in the pan, break down the potatoes into smaller cubes. If you notice that the potatoes are still hard, add half a cup of water and cook the cube potatoes and the tempering ingredients for another 7 to 8 minutes until the water is completely evaporated. You can add chili flakes to increase the spiciness. As you cook the deviled potatoes, you can also add a few tablespoons of oil to further fry them. And this is your spicy deviled potato curry. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new today. You can find the written version of this recipe and more recipes on my blog islandsmile.org. I'll see you soon with another great recipe.